Hi, my name is Ashali Mulchandani, and I'm the proud founder of IDM Chartered Professional Accountant. Today, I am going to talk about the situations in which you might need to file a US tax return. First and foremost, you need to ask yourself this question. If you had a US source income, such as a rental property or a W-2, which is like a T4 from the US, the chances are you will need to file a US tax return. It's called a 1040 NR, non-resident. So that will only report the US source income in the US. However, if you have passed the substantial physical presence test, or you're a green card holder, or you're a US citizen, you could be living anywhere in the world and you will need to file a proper US tax return, which is called a 1040. And then you report your worldwide income in there. There are additional forms that you need to be watching out for, FBAR, which is Foreign Bank Account Reporting. Also, if you're a US citizen and you have a company, there is additional requirement like the 5471 forms. If you have a TFSA, there could be a 3520 form requirement. If you have non-registered mutual fund, there could be a PFIC requirement. In US, there is a lot of compliance requirement, and if you don't file those forms, the penalties can be really huge. For example, non-compliance of FBAR is $10,000 of penalty per account per year of not filing. Not filing 5471 is $25,000 per year of not filing. So it's very wise to seek professional help from a qualified person who can help you understand what your filing requirements are and do them. It's better to be safe than sorry. IRS letters can be very, very threatening, and you don't want to be receiving those. Now, you might also think, oh, I've never lived in US. But if you were born there and you're living here in Canada or anywhere in the world, you are still considered a US citizen. So sometimes what happens to my clients is when they're going to the US, they're asked at the border, where's your US passport? And if you say, I don't have one, they insist that you travel to US on your US passport. And when you go to the embassy to get one, they will ask you to be fully compliant in your taxes. Only then will they give it to you. So if you are born in the US, or you're a citizen or green card holder, there is no getting around that. The only other way to completely relieve you of your responsibility to file in the US is to renounce your citizenship. If you have any questions about US tax filings, reach out to us. We're happy to help. Thank you for listening.